Hello guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to transfer data from old iPhone to a new iPhone. First thing, open Settings, then General. Scroll down and tap Reset. Select Erase all content and settings and wait for the device to restart. Turn on your new iPhone and place it near the old one. A prompt will appear on the new iPhone. To use your Apple ID, just tap Continue and choose one of the following: Restore from iCloud Backup, Sign in and select your latest backup. And secondly, transfer directly from iPhone. Keep both devices nearby and follow the on-screen instructions to transfer your data from your old iPhone to your new iPhone. Your data will be transferred to the new iPhone. Let me know if you need help with anything else. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.